Prime your eyelids for an even base. As you'll notice, I start most looks with a brown in the crease. I went in really lightly with this blue. It's super pigmented. Adding dark brown for depth. Going back in with a little more blue to blend. This is a shimmer version of the blue. I wanted a little shine. Then I add more depth. Going back and forth with the dark brown and shimmery blue for a soft blend. Repeat that on the other eyelid. Today I went with a different primer to see if I liked it. It seems to be sitting really well. I'll update in the comments if my makeup breaks down weird at all. Concealing my dark circles and breakouts. Acne is normal, and it doesn't really bother me, but if I'm doing an eyeshadow look, I feel more inclined to do a full face of makeup. This CC cream is beautiful, but it's slightly too dark. It's the lightest neutral shade as well. Mixed it with the Halo Glow for glow. Setting everything, then dusting away with a brush. I get oily, so I have to press in a lot of powder. Framing the lash line, then highlighting the inner corner with my face palette. Bronzing up, keeping it higher for a lifted look to the cheekbones. I love blush. This highlight is so good. Lightly filling in my brows. I forgot to use setting spray, but I go back and do it after my brows, lol. Drenching my face to melt the powders. Clear wax to set them in place. I went with a skin tone liner for a softer look. The black would have made it a little too dark, but do whatever you vibe with. Finishing the eyes with mascara. I went with a soft pink gloss since the eyes are more bold. These Revolution X Fortnite glosses are so good. Who else is obsessed with Lego Fortnite right now? Thanks for hanging out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Slay.